Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Inflation and unemployment questions look tricky, but this one gets fast once you focus on the long-run relationship and ignore the tempting short-run trade-off.
In the long run, the Phillips curve is vertical, which means unemployment settles at its natural rate, rather than moving permanently up or down just because inflation changes. That tells you there is no lasting trade-off between inflation and unemployment over time. So higher inflation does not permanently buy lower unemployment, and lower inflation does not force higher unemployment. Regardless of the level of inflation, long-run unemployment stays constant at the natural rate. So the choice matching that idea is option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing into the short-run trade-off. Rule, trust the long-run condition and check each statement against it.